So we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. Of course, the first thing I would do is to rearrange it. So how do I rearrange it? We can write this as a raised to power minus 2 over a raised to power 1. Don't forget this a is actually a raised to the power of what? 1. Then multiply by b raised to the power of 3 over b raised to power minus 2. Then multiply by c raised to power minus 3 over 1. So from here, we now apply one of the laws of indices. And of course, you need to recall that if you have what? A raised to power what? M over a raised to power n is the same thing as a raised to power m minus n. So in this case, we're just going to be applying the same law to this. So for this one, a raised to power minus 2 over a raised to power 1 can be written as a raised to power minus 2, then minus 1, then multiply by b raised to power what? 3, then minus what? Minus 2, then multiply by c raised to power what? Minus what? 3. Okay, so with that understanding, minus 2 minus 1 will give us minus 3. So this will be a raised to power minus 3 multiplied by b raised to power minus times minus, that is plus, then 3 plus 2, that is what? 5. Then times c raised to power minus what? 3. So lastly, we need to do another recall. So recall that what? A raised to power minus n is the same thing as 1 over what? A raised to power n. So that implies that a raised to power minus 3 will be what? 1 over what? A raised to power 3 multiplied by b raised to power 5, then over 1 anyway, then times 1 over c raised to power 3. So finally, your answer will be what? 1 times b raised to power 5 times 1, that will be what? B raised to the power of 5 over what? A raised to the power of 3 times what? C raised to power 3. Since they have the same power, I can factor it. I can write b raised to power 5 over what? AC, everything raised to the power of what? 3. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye.